Hello everyone, this is Zara from Sajad Zara Makeup by Zara and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, this video today is about the unboxing of none other than the Philips Lumea Essential. So stay tuned. So this is my new buy and I would be telling you a quick history. Why did I get this product? And I will also be using it and reviewing it later on as my treatments go on with this. So let's unbox it together. Why did I get this machine? I got this machine because, as it says on the top of the cover, it prevents from hair growth. So before I tell you further about this and we go deeper into the unboxing, let me share a little information with you. How many of you out there know that what are PCOS? PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. It is a very common disease now found in almost 8 out of 10 women. But the irony is that despite of this disease being so common and people going through many symptoms do not know how to really cure this or help themselves with it. So in my next video, which would be a detailed discussion video about the PCOS, I would be discussing the further points. For now, I would like you to know that I myself have PCOS. I was diagnosed with this problem at the age of 21. Way before that, I think at the age of 17, 18, I had this problem of hirsutism, for which I went to various doctors, got various treatments done, and it did cost me a fortune. So those of you girls who have been suffering with this hideous hirsutism problem, which can be a real setback and a real slap on your everyday confidence, this product is for you and would be saving you a lot of bugs. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let's start with the unboxing of the Philips Lumea. Here how it looks from the outside. The name IPL Lumea. IPL is, as you can see, I'll zoom in a bit, intense pulsed light. This is the technology used in the Philips Lumea Essential. It basically helps to burn the hair follicle and make it so weak that the hair does not reappear. Even after you take the sufficient amount of treatments, you would be needing the touch-ups. So this would be a buddy that you can carry inside your bag. There's the back side, and in the back side they have scales of skin tones mentioned, skin tones and hair colors. These are the skin tones that this IPL is suitable for, and these are the skin tones that this IPL treatment is not suitable for. These are the hair colors for which this IPL treatment works, and these are the 3 hair colors for which this IPL treatment won't work. I think very pale blonde, red hair color and grey. So this is the back side. They have explained in step by step how this thing works on the hair. And the most amazing thing about it is that they have also written each and every detail, from the treatments, how often they should be, to the skin type, to how the treatment works, to the skin tones and the hair colors that it is suitable for. So now let's check it from the inside. Let's open it up. Okay, bam! So this is how it looks from the inside. I'll zoom it out a bit for you guys to see. So this is the mod itself. This is how it looks from the back. It has an attachable wire which you cannot detach. Let's see what else we've got in here. So this wire is joined here with this adapter, as you can see. Okay, so what else we've got? Here is the international warranty. As you can see, it's written right here. So it will start from the day that you will start using your product. and comes with this manual, which is there in 5 languages. This manual can be read in 5 languages, as you can see right here. That's how it looks from the inside. Each and every detail, their troubleshooting details, how to use it, what areas you can use it, face, underarms, your bikini line, your legs, almost the entire body it covers. And here is this little leaflet inside, which is telling us about a very amazing feature, that is the app, which is available in the App Store as well as the Google Play Store for the Android. And after you download that app that I already have in my phone, I will be showing you that. So this is the Lumea app which I have already downloaded. So this app is going to be like really handy. It would ask you your skin tone at the beginning, the color of your hair, so that it can register and make the experience more personalized for each and every user. So for different body parts, see, you have different logs for face area, for legs, for underarms, for bikini line, for arms. Even the stomach area is covered. So as I said, almost the whole body. You can, log on your treatment dates, set on alarms, reminders, and after you're done with the full session treatments, you can also set alarms and routine and calendar dates for your touch-ups. So a very, very good and amazing feature. These days, everything is connected to your phone, so why not your home care specialized IPL treatments by Philips Lumea? I think that's pretty much it. This is the part where from the IPL flashlight would flash from. This is the part which detects the tone and the color of your skin. To make it easier for you, this app and this manual right here, both of them have step-to-step guidance for how this should be used, for which area of your skin, what settings would be used, how it would be used. And I would be doing a review tutorial soon, as I have already mentioned that I would be doing a review tutorial soon on how this is used and how to go about it. How would you be able to use the app, making the most out of it. And here's how it looks like, guys. So wait up for my next video. So I hope you liked the unboxing of the product, and I would be starting my treatments with this product and would be reviewing it very soon on my YouTube channel Sajad Zara Makeup by Zara. Like I did the unboxing, I would be doing a separate video for a detailed review. And not only review, I would be showing you the before after pictures of the results that I achieved before I did the treatment and after I did the treatment, for you to decide better whether this product is worth buying or not. So stay tuned for that. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, keep on subscribing my channel and hit the bell button so that you do not even miss a single update. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.
Can you say a few words about today's amazing recording? How was today's recording?
Very hot. Really, really, really hot. You have no idea how we've been filming.